Hello, MCS families. The past few years, PTO has had a giving tree. This giving tree was filled with the teachers' wishes and asks for their classroom. With COVID, we can't have all the parents coming in, and with colder weather and lovely Kansas winds, we can't really put the tree outside. So we decided to change it up a little bit. What we've done is made an easy way for you to find your teacher's Amazon wish lists. I will be putting a link in our Facebook page, and Mr. Hubka will be sending the link out in his weekly email. This link will take you to prezi.com and to what you see on my screen right now. It'll say the Manhattan Catholic Schools Teacher Wish List. If you want to try to open it on a cell phone, you do have to download the app. It's a free app, and I just signed in with Google, and everything seemed to pull up correctly. So you might look at this and think, yay, it's pretty. How do I find anything? Well, I'm going to walk you through finding stuff for my 3 children. I have twin second graders and a 5th grader. So the first one I'm going to find is my twin second graders. I am going to go to the elementary school and click on it, and then I'm going to come over and click on 2nd grade. I will then click on Ms. Deaver, and it'll pull up her Amazon wish list. Pretty easy, right? So I'm going to push the back arrows here, come back to our main page, maybe. What am I? Oh, there's a little home page right here to the side. I'm going to click that. Now my 5th grader is no longer in the elementary school. He's in the Lucky Building. So I will click on Lucky Building, and I will click on 5th grade. And then I will click on either one of these teachers because he does have both. But since Miss Alexander is his main homeroom teacher, I will click on hers. And then here is her wish list. And I can just add to cart and purchase. And then go back to the home. If you have preschool children or after school kids, the teachers and everyone, ASP has their own, ASP needs to give me their wish list. But I bet if I go to preschool needs to give me theirs too. I will have those up and running before this gets loaded, so I promise it will be there. Specials, Mr. Bedgood has one for music. We thought this would be an easy way for us to be able to still help our teachers get the little things that they might need or want, but they won't buy themselves. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me, catch me outside, anything like that. I will have this posted, and hopefully my video helps you. Have a great Christmas holiday.